Hello, today we are pleased to present to you a few new views and ways that you can present all of your content and your activities to your customers on your website. Traditionally, RezSystem has brought you what we kind of call the popover widget, and the widget is customizable. Everything about it can be customized in terms of the color and everything. You notice how it pops over on your screen. This has been very successful, but we've had a lot of people who've asked for some other options. One of those options is what we kind of call the display list view. And so you'll notice that this gives you kind of a graphical overview of the event. We can also put the name of the event up there as well. And then we also have the calendar view. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about both of these, but they essentially lead into what is the same place. And both of these pages would be just like our widget is, give you the popover experience with your website in the background. But first of all, let me talk about the display list view. So you'll notice this is really nice and graphical. When I actually click on any one of these images, it's going to actually open up what we call the activity web page. And so this activity web page is completely customizable for you. You can include any information that you want to include in here. In terms of the write-up, you can put parking information. We also have maps that can be embedded in here. You can put Facebook and Twitter links as well. So very, very highly customizable. You'll notice the traditional widget like we saw over here. This widget right here is basically embedded into this web page that goes along here. So gives you more of a graphical way to display your content for your consumers. And so, as I said, we can start with the graphical overview, which is a list of essentially all of your activities. So if you have more activities, the list obviously would grow longer here. But we also have this option of an event calendar. And so this event calendar is also highly customizable. You can customize all of your activities, put them on here. You can put little snippets of text to describe it even more, and you can even color code this. So this is just a plain one, but if you wanted to color code all of your kids' activities blue, the background would be blue on there. And you'll notice that over here we've got this ability to sort and filter for your guests. So this is the October view right here. You can see all my individual activities, but I could sort and filter and say, show me all my classes, just the adult classes, kids classes. So your guests can come in and sort and filter here, or we can look for an individual specific activity. I can do it by AM or PM, or I can do it based upon the size of my group. So if I have only 3 people, we will only show on this calendar activities that would be able to host at least 3 people with it as well. So very, very customizable for you and your customers. Now, you'll notice this one says Healing Hearts Tribute Painting mini description goes here. So you can put little descriptions that go in here as well. So the activity name in this case would be red, white, and blue, but you could also put a little description that goes along with it as well. And just like we saw on the display page, when you click into any one of these activities, you're going to notice that the activity shows up is this display web page for your guests to look at as well. So you'll see all the information that goes along here. Again, each page can be customized, so you could include maps, parking information, directions, anything else that you want to include in here can be added as well. So we're very excited about these new features that are out here, and if you're interested in learning more about them, please make sure you look us up at RezSystem.com, contact our support desk, or you may also simply just email us at sales@RezSystem.com. Thanks so much.